Yo, what up? Welcome back to the channel. I got this message from KTV Built TV a while back. I meant to read it on the last video that I put out, but he sent me this note when he sent me some stickers and stuff for my channel. He was like, "Dre, thank you so much for always supporting and being willing to help everyone out. Love what you're doing with the build, and I wish you a lot of success with the channel." I appreciate that, man. Every time somebody send me something or somebody shout it out or do what they do, I really appreciate that everyone be looking out and coming back and supporting the channel, man. The YouTube community been great with my build, helping me out, look up a lot of info, stuff like that. I reached out to a lot of people, met a lot of people on the YouTube community, so that's something great. But let's get to it. Today I'm going to do something different. As y'all know, my battery is mounted under here, and it's a bitch when it comes to jump it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to tuck your battery inside your fender or somewhere, wherever you want to tuck it under your seat. And then what you do is just add like a remote battery terminals for it. So you could tuck the battery and then add remote jumper terminals so that if you got to jump it, it's just somewhere easily accessible. The battery will still be tucked away. The reason why most people tuck the battery is for space. So adding the terminals up here ain't gonna harm anything, or wherever you add your terminals, it won't harm anything. It's not gonna clutter anything. Most people just do it for space. So I'm gonna get to it and show you guys what you need to add the remote terminals. All right, so what we got here now is just some simple like terminals that I end up picking up off Amazon. These ones are beefy, so it should work out. Hopefully it works out and I don't burn down the freaking car. But these are it. You need both terminals, and you're gonna need some wire to extend wherever your battery is. You might need longer wire. I didn't need that much of a wire because my battery is basically right under here, and I'm gonna put these terminals like right up here, so it's not going that far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just drill a hole, put these in, and then just gotta put them far enough. You don't want to put them together like that, right? Because if you put a jumper cable on the ground, then the shit gonna touch a positive, arc something, blow some fuse or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take off this bumper. Once again, I thought I was done taking it off, and then I'm gonna try to get everything set up, and I'll walk you guys through it when I'm doing that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to put one terminal here and one terminal here, right on this bracket right there, so that I could just get to it right away. So that's what I'm gonna try to do right now. I'm gonna try to size up those terminals and see if I could get them in there. All right, so I ended up getting this out. Kind of got it where I want it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark this right here. Right around here is where I want it. Kind of mark that there. And this one, right around there. There. And then I'm going to just go ahead and throw this in this little vise. Always got a messy desk for some reason. Oh shit. My drill's smoking. Hopefully get the job done before it catches on fire. Oh shit. Well, this is the end of this. I don't know what's up with this drill. This thing's smoking. Alright, so I got these mounted. I messed this up a bit. I'm eventually have to take this off and paint it again. But yeah, this is the next step. You're gonna mount your little post or whatever. Put these in and then give them a good distance. So if I put the jumper cable here, it won't touch. Mine is gonna sit fairly like this. Mine sits in this general area right here. I'll go ahead and I'll route this across. It's a fuel line. I'll just straighten it out. It's just a return line, but I'll just straighten it out or something. But yeah, I'll put the cables on back in the back. I'll heat shrink them so that, especially the positive one, it's not touching anything. You can see down there, it doesn't touch. Adjust right there. You can see it's not touching anything, so it'll be good. But yeah, that's it. It's fairly simple. I got those off Amazon. Now the only issue I had with these is this. Order these, right? And as you can see, we'll try it right over here to make sure it's right. These don't fit. So what I'm gonna have to do is drill these out just a little bit because they don't fit on there. And then go ahead and connect them up. That's the only issue I had with these. So all I did was I just took that little step tool and I drilled that out. That little step tool right there. Drill this out a bit and it looks good as new. See, it fits right on it. And you also see the corners got flared a little bit, which is dope. Edges on it, so it's not sharp edges. So that's clean. So what I was gonna do is heat shrink these right here, and I'm out of heat shrink. So, hey K-Bros, if you're watching this, bruh, or Ron from K-Bros, if you're watching this, bruh, homeboy needs some heat shrink, homie. You know why I need heat shrink, homie. Because you used up on my heat shrink, homie. So you need to get homie some heat shrink, homie. That's for real, cuz I need my heat shrink. No, I'm just playing. I'm out of heat shrink, so I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I need to cover that because can't leave the positive. Should be hot. Can't leave it out like that. So I gotta figure something out. See if I got some heat shrink or something around here. Or I could cover that up. So yeah, all installed. That's how it looks on this side. Looks really good. Came out really well. Only thing I don't like is that they didn't send covers for the back part. So once you install them, like the positive side especially, once you install it, it was left exposed. So it's basically a live circuit, or not a circuit, but a live terminal back there, and it could touch the car or wherever. Me, I just I didn't have enough heat shrink, big enough heat shrink, because I used it. So what I did was I wrapped electrical tape around it, then heat shrink the end of the electrical tape so it won't go anywhere. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and install the ground back here, install the positive, and on the ground I'll probably pull the excess up in here and just zip tie it somewhere. Alright, so batteries installed. Well, battery was never taken out, but everything's installed. Now this is common sense, people. When you're installing this, the red side goes to the positive, black side goes to the ground, and up top you have your positive and your ground. Now I'm gonna move this hose over a bit. I don't want it like so close. Well, it ain't going to affect nothing. Move this over out of the way a little bit. And now we have more room, so when I come in and I need a jump, just pop the hood, and those are right there, so don't have to go underneath the bumper anymore. The reason why I got this, thought it was good, and I came to start the car the other day. In the other video you guys saw it, the car was dead. I had to take my truck battery out, bring it in here, and jump this. And it was a BITCH trying to get up in here and go over that. So I looked on Amazon and I said I'm gonna get this, and I did. Now let's put the headlight back down, make sure it clears all the wires. Well, everything looks good, everything clears and all that jazz. Barely touches right there, so there's no issue, but it should be good. Now when I get my wheels, I'll go ahead and throw those on. That'll be another video for you guys. Oh man, but I like the way that turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bumper on, and I'll close out this video for everybody. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. I appreciate all the new subscribers. I mean, y'all stop by, check me out, supporting the build and all that good jazz. So, man, I appreciate y'all, man. Thanks for coming back time after time to check out this boring ass channel. I mean, ain't nothing special about it. Haven't really done anything to the car this year. Did a lot to the car this year, actually. Got it running this year. That was a good bonus, I guess. Next year is just gonna be bigger and better things, man. Like trying to hit the track next year. Need to get some axles, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I'm gonna run on these B series axles, man. I'm gonna be the test dummy for y'all to see how well these B series axles hold up. Probably won't be launching like that. I'll probably just roll it out, but we'll figure it out. But man, I appreciate everybody, man. Appreciate everybody that entered in this raffle. Hopefully one of you guys, well, obviously one of you guys will win, but I'm wishing you guys all the best, man. For those who haven't entered yet, watch the video at the end of this video and you'll see how to enter. I don't even know if there's stuff on my face. If there was, I apologize. But like, share, subscribe, come back and check out the channel. Peace.